Many don't know this, but after a meniscus repair, one decision can totally change your rehab. The biggest mistake? Putting weight on your leg too early, especially with your knee bent. That can damage the repair and slow down your recovery. That's why you need crutches for about 6 weeks. But here's your game changer. A brace that keeps your knee straight. Why? Because with this brace, you can put full weight on your leg much earlier without risking the meniscus. With the right brace, you get mobile faster, use crutches less, and improve your rehab a lot. So definitely ask your doctor if they can prescribe one for you. If you want your rehab as smooth as possible, follow me so you don't miss any rehab tips.